Chapter 26. Sounds of Animals. Animals make many different sounds and each sound has a special meaning. Dogs bark to communicate with each other and with people. A happy dog might bark loudly, while a scared dog might whimper softly. Cats make a soft meow when they want attention or food. They also purr when they are happy and comfortable. Cows moo to call out to each other or to their calves. Their mooing can be loud and deep. Sheep make a sound called bella, which helps them communicate with the flock. This sound is soft and gentle. Birds sing beautiful songs. Each bird has its own song. For example, sparrows chirp while roosters crow early in the morning to greet the day. Horses neigh to communicate with other horses or to express excitement. They can also make softer sounds like nickering. Frogs croak loudly at night, especially during the rainy season. Their croaking helps attract mates. Lions roar to show their strength and to warn other animals to stay away from their territory. Each animal's sound helps them connect with others, find food, or show their feelings. Listening to these sounds is a wonderful way to understand the animal world better.